In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to backtest on cTrader. So backtesting is to simulate trading strategies using historical data, and to do that on cTrader, it is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your cTrader account, and then from here, it should bring something like this once you're inside of the dashboard. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go over to the left-hand side where you'll see Trade up here. And from here, you'll need to go down to Algo. It could also potentially be called cBots, but it should be looking like this robot down here. And from here, it should look something like this. Now for you, if you haven't tried this before, it will be completely empty. So if you want algos, you'll simply need to explore the cTrader store. And then from here, you'll need to go up to cBots over here. Once you're in here, you'll need to find the specific cBot that you'll like to backtest. And you'll just need to click on, let's say, this one that is free, and then click install. From here you can see it open, and then you'll open the cTrader platform again, and then you'll be able to see that it has been successfully installed. Now from here you'll need to go over to where it is, the need test version, and from here you'll need to click add instance. Once you do that, you'll look something like this, and then from here you can click start bot, and from here you can just stop it and then click on it like so. Now from here, it should look something like this. And as you can see up here, you'll be able to start the cBot instance up here. But if you want to backtest it, then from here, it should be looking something like this. Now, because I'm on a demo account, it will not appear. But if you're on a live account, it will appear up here. Then from here, you'll just need to click on it and then configure your backtesting data and then try it out for yourself. Then from here, you'll be able to find all the specific data that you'll need from this backtesting. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!